Hey everyone, so just want to show you Elfcam app. It's one of the top apps this Christmas, I guess. It's very well designed, and yeah, I just specifically upgraded to show you if it's worth upgrading for you and if you want to really to surprise your kids. But yeah, it's a great app. So yeah, here's how it works. This app is using some AI augmented reality technology where you can just basically scan your room and then you can create your own elf and the elf will just jump around the room and then you can record a video or just show to your kids. So here it is. Then you can just select elves. You can tap to create a new elf. There is no limitations how many elves you want to create. You can design skin, hair, ears, glasses. You can also randomize it as you want. And then, yeah, you can just tap save. And then you need to scan the floor, basically. Ready? And then you can just tap to plot the route. That's basically how the elf can jump around. And then you just jump the elf here, and that's the idea. That's the elf can now start jumping, and then you can also add animations to the elf. It's pretty cool, and then you can show to your kids. Then you can also add some additional filters. Some filters you need to buy additionally. So I already upgraded. The price is like $4 per year, not per month. Then you can also add some additional props, which you can add here like that. And then, yeah, for example, you can just record it and the elf will just jump in your room. So this is like real AR technology. The elf is not just jumping in some virtual video. This is just your house. And then you can just show to your kids like, hey, this was the elf. You can make a full screen video. So yeah, it's quite fun. You can just show to your small kids like this is how it looks like, and it looks quite realistic, especially on the newer iPhones. And yeah, quite fun. So quite fun toy, but yeah, you can't use it in a free version. You need to upgrade, but give it a try.